I'm looking for extreme panic.
Another question, just to elaborate a little bit, dip buy. People hear that term a lot, and so
yeah, it's overused.
Yeah, so what is it to you? Break down a dip buy to you. What leads up to it, and then what you're looking at for entry.
Right. So I'm looking for extreme panic.
Yep.
Right, because a lot of people might say dip buy, and it's because the stock
I
went
always
down.
love when people are like, some stock's down like 2%.
Right.
Should I dip buy this? I'm like, yes, it's red on the day, but this is not a dip buy. That's not the point.
And so, so I looked at, I want ideally 20% or more.
Yep.
If it can go 30, 40, even the better.
And morning.
Morning.
Yep.
It happens in the afternoon, but your odds of success are just far better in the morning.
Yep.
So if it, even, and it's happened before where I'll have FOMO, it only drops 10%. And I'm thinking, I should dip buy, and I kind of hold back. I'm like, no, wait, and I end up saving myself a loss. So I love 20% or more, and I need to see, unfortunately, longs in pain. I need to see red candle, and just keep it going. And then you watch that level 2. You learn to watch level 2 through practice, and you see the bid firming, and then you get long, and then that's when that bounce comes.
And then basically you're looking for that bid to firm up. You're looking for that perk. You're buying into that, and then your stop is just a fail. Once it breaks that previous low, that's your stop.
Right.
So
exactly.
And again, back to, that's the number one takeaway with these things, because these stocks, these guys look to dip buy. I mean, they're up hundreds, thousands of %. And if you dip buy at down 50% or 60%, it can still go lower. I mean, these things can go lower. So you have to have that discipline because sometimes they'll firm up, they'll perk, and then they'll slam again. So you gotta keep that stop at that previous low, because what's great about the dip buy, it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. A lot of traders look for this. So what you need to remember, if you're looking to experiment with this, if everybody's dipping on that perk, and then everybody uses this strategy, once that low takes out, everybody's out. So you can't stay.
No.
Because now you're the bag holder, because everybody else has said, well, this dip buy didn't work, because they don't all work, remember? So everybody's gone, and it ain't coming back after that.
I love that you said that, because I don't want to make you guys think that I learned dip buying, and all of a sudden, I'm perfect. It took months of unfortunately that scenario where I dip bought something that maybe wasn't the best, and unfortunately it broke that low, and now I'm unfortunate. And if you're learning it, definitely start with small size, because unfortunately you get caught. Unfortunately, just from learning experience, you're going to get caught in one of those situations where you're going to have to sell low day, and if you are with all the other longs, there's going to be some slippage. You have to admit that. So,
which just for definition, just for newer traders out there, these stocks, just because you want to sell here doesn't mean you'll get filled here. Okay, you may get filled down here or down here. So especially as you're experimenting this, you want to use that smaller size, because if you get filled 10% lower or 20% lower than you wanted, you want to make sure you're testing with small size so that you don't get wrecked.
Yep, absolutely. Mm-hmm.
And now what I love about the setup, and I'm not much of a dip buy guy, it's just never really worked for me, but what I love about it is it offers clear risk to reward because of that morning low. I like, for lack of a better term, I love stops that are just like calling you an idiot if you don't take them. I mean, you've been there, it's your style. I mean, if that thing perks, you're in, and then it breaks that low, first thing you say to yourself is, get out, you moron.
It's done.
This is done. It's over. Yep. And that's what's great for newer traders, is it's like, to me, it's crystal clear.
Yeah.
Now, it takes experience, but when it breaks that morning low, and this is some stock that's gone from 2 cents to 250 or something, that, it can keep going. And normally, they keep going lower for days. So it's like, with the experience, I gotta stop out here.
Right.
So
it gives you a clear plan.
That's
it. It's over. Yep.
Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to comment below with any trading related question. We love answering your questions. Also, like and share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to be notified as soon as our next video hits. And if you're looking to expand your trading knowledge, don't forget to check out all of our other videos, and be sure to click the trial below. Check out StocksToTrade. I think it is one of the best, most rapidly advancing softwares out there. Be sure to check out our trial.